Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, has approved a $415 million disbursement for Jamaica under its Rapid Financing Instrument. The funding is to address urgent balance of payment needs following the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. The Category 5 storm killed at least 45 people and caused damage estimated at more than $9 billion. The IMF Executive Board said Jamaica's established track record of economic reforms has created buffers that are helping to address the economic fallout and reconstruction needs. But it says the widespread damage, along with fiscal pressures and a sharp decline in tourism, have generated the need for short-term support. Deputy IMF Managing Director Bowley says the emergency assistance will help support relief efforts, particularly the most vulnerable, and accelerate recovery. He says strong collaboration with international partners remains important. The National Commercial Bank has appointed Executive Vice President Sheree Martin to act as Interim Chief Executive Officer of the NCB Financial Group, effective today, January 19. This comes as the Board of Directors announced on Monday that Chief Executive Officer Bruce Bowen will leave the organization on February 28 after completing what the bank describes as a critical turnaround period. Mr. Bowen was appointed in 2023 to lead the restructuring effort, and the board says that phase is now largely complete. Mrs. Martin brings more than 15 years of senior leadership experience in financial services and has overseen key operational and technology functions at the bank. The board says she has played a central role in strengthening execution discipline, operational resilience, and performance consistency. NCB says the bank's strategy and priorities remain unchanged as it builds on progress made over the past 2 years. The board says the transition reflects continuity and stability as the bank moves into the next phase of growth. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 565 points today, while the junior market index declined by 28 points. The winners were led by A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings US dollar shares, Bircher Paints Jamaica, 1&1 Educational Services, KLE Group, and Salada Foods Jamaica. The losers include Jetcon Corporation, Proven Group US dollar shares, Consolidated Bakeries, Mail Pack Group, and Knutsford Express Services. 19 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $158.26. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.14. The pound is going for $212.43, while the euro is selling for an average $186.82. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.